and this video will show you how to change your withdrawal method on Pocket Option. First of all, you need to log into your Pocket Option account. So I will log into my account. So after you will log into your account, you can click on Finance in the left menu and go to Withdrawal, or just click your profile icon in the top right corner and click Withdrawal. When you go to this page, you might see this note right here: withdrawal process becomes available after you will deposit on your account. If you have not deposited money yet on Pocket Option, the withdrawal is not available for you. So first of all, you need to make a deposit. When you go to deposit, first of all, you need to deposit money on Pocket Option, and after that it will be available to withdraw your money from here. So after you will have enough balance, you will see this kind of page. When you go on withdrawal, you will see your balance in the top. You will see the minimum withdrawal right here, and below right here we will see payment methods. At the moment I have got Bitcoin, but if you scroll this payment methods down, you will see a lot of options. There will be most popular one, bank transfer. There will be also a USDT and other cryptocurrencies. So right here you can change the payment method. You need to scroll this down and you need to choose any payment method from the list, and after that you need to provide your payment details and click continue and finalize the transaction. That's how we can change the withdrawal method on Pocket Option. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.